Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, Fun at School, we will learn about letter patterns. So, open up page number 17 and let's get started. On this page, there is a diary given. The topic of the diary is My Weekend. Let's read it together. The first week of school went by very quickly. Before I knew it, the weekend had arrived. My weekend was very busy with a lot of school homework. It was tough, but I enjoyed it. My English homework was to write a story about the people who have a fear of flying. I am scared of flying, so I had enough ideas for my story. I also had geography homework. It was about the seasons of the year. After lunch, my friends came to my house. We had a science assignment to do. The assignment was about a bear. We had a rough idea about what to do, but we wanted to get top grades. Our group had 4 people. We decided to divide up the work as working together is always very helpful. We learned a lot using my computer. Peter used the books from the library. Samir and Adam started to draw up ideas for the model of the bear's habitat. While we worked, my mom brought us some lovely sour grapes and green pears. We ate the fruit and completed our assignment. We could not wait to show our model to the class the next day. Now, in the text above, we saw the highlighted letter patterns. The same letter patterns combine with other letters to make different words. For example, in the text, we saw the words fear, ear, bear, and pear. All these words have the same letter pattern, which is EAR. And the letters like F, Y, B, and P are added to make different words. We also saw the words like tough, enough, and rough. Their letter pattern is OUGH, and the letters added T, EN, and R are used to make different words. Now, let's do an activity. Make more words with the EAR and OUGH letter pattern. If you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. Try to make at least 5 words for each pattern and write them on a loose sheet.